Hello, let's help children learn and trace 2D shapes together. Rectangle, star, circle, arrow, heart, and semicircle. First we outline the shapes. Rectangle. This is rectangle. Star. This is star. Circle. This is circle. Arrow. This is arrow. Heart. This is heart. Semicircle. This is semicircle. Now color is added to each shapes. Green color. Rectangle. Green color. Rectangle. Orange color. Star. Purple color. Circle. Purple color. Circle. Blue color. Arrow. Blue color. Arrow. Pink color. Heart. Pink color. Heart. Chocolate color. Semicircle. Chocolate color. Semicircle. What we learn? We learn rectangle, green color, star, orange color, circle, purple color, arrow, blue color, heart, pink color, semicircle, chocolate color. Thank you for learning with me. See you next time.